Hi, I'm Steve Medeiros, President of Bay East, with some important updates from the California Association of Realtors Winter Business Meetings in Indian Wells. Let's start with some changes to the C.A.R. forms. In December 2022, several forms were updated, including the new buyer representation and broker compensation agreement. And in June of this year, more forms are set to be revised and new forms will be released. If you need help with any of these forms, reach out to your broker or consult resources like the C.A.R. Legal Hotline, Forms Tutor, or Forms Advisor. There have also been important changes to the National Association of Realtors Code of Ethics. The term handicap has been replaced with disability in all NAR policies and resources. Also, Standard of Practice 3-9 has been amended to replace the term listing broker with seller, ensuring that realtors won't provide access to a listed property on terms other than those established by the owner or the seller. Don't forget to claim your free Realtor.com profile and sign up for your professional dashboard. You'll have access to awesome features like performance scores, market trends, buyer intelligence, and more. Simply click Realtor.com Pro from the home screen in Paragon to check out these tools. We're going to have another busy year in Sacramento. C.A.R. Board of Directors also approved several important initiatives, including adopting a 4 position on a ballot proposition next year that may limit the ability of local governments to raise taxes. C.A.R. will also sponsor legislation to create a remote online notarization licensing system in California, update the national hazard disclosure information about defensible space, make it easier to get information about living trusts for low and moderate income homeowners. And finally, this is the time to promote yourself as a realtor and explain to your clients why it's important to work with a realtor. Wear the brand with pride. And take advantage of the marketing tools C.A.R. provides to us. To learn about these updates, head over to the www.bayeast.org website and check out the latest news section. Thanks for tuning in.